On a near moonless night, packed into two specially outfitted Black Hawk helicopters, SEAL Team 6 headed for the mission of their lives. The target, this sprawling compound surrounded by walls reaching nearly 20 feet high at points. The SEAL team, 30 to 40 men, flew low beneath the radar and undetected in the darkness, descending on the compound. The plan was to rappel from the helicopters, but one of the Black Hawks stalled, forcing a white-knuckle hard landing outside the compound. They began a room-by-room search in a smaller building first, where they found the wives and children of two of bin Laden's trusted couriers. Next, the larger complex, where gunfire erupted. Two men, bin Laden's couriers, were shot dead. The SEAL shouted for bin Laden to surrender. He resisted. They aimed first for the head, giving the weapon a double tap of the trigger, as they are trained to do, to ensure they got him.